Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Tonight, on the primetime debate, we have Mr. Macharaja from a famous political party. We also have Ms. Preeti Kapoor, a well-known educationalist who is said to have completed her BSc, BA, BD, MSc, PhD, etc. We also have Mr. Bharat, who believes sports to be the ultimate goal of life, and also Ms. Harshini, an acclaimed actress. So tonight, the nation wants to know what defines a good college. Is it education? Is it sports? Or is it extracurricular activities? So let me open up the debate, ladies and gentlemen. So Mr. Macharaja, what according to you defines a good college?
ಅಜ್ನಾಬ್ ಅವರೇ, ನೀವು ನೋಡಿ, ನಾವು ಯಾರೋ ಈ ದೇಶದ ಸಾಧಾರಣ ಪ್ರಜೆಗಳು. See, this country wants the good leaders to govern, and a good college should be able to produce good leaders, I say. Now, leaders are required in every aspect of the life, and to me, leadership is the most important thing that a college should focus on. Now, if you see my college in Dharwad, that one, you see the values, the principles, the beliefs,
where
and
is
all
sports?
that.
After MS Dhoni's retirement, the Indian cricket team in a state of dilemma. Who will answer, Ajnab? Not only in cricket, Ajnab, we need good players in all sports. I believe a college should have only
Miss Harshini.
sports and
Miss
sports.
Harshini. Miss Harshini, do you have anything to add to the debate?
Yes, I'm one of the most famous actresses of India, as you all know. I have name, fame, money, and whatnot. All of this would not have been possible without my participation in cultural activities. So I feel the real pulse of a college should be the cultural activities.
Those days, those dramas.
But where is leadership that one? Leadership is very, very important. See, in the history of the independence of India, the country has produced great leaders. And now see, if you don't have leaders even now, we need leaders even now. If you don't have leaders even now, then we won't have development even now. If you see my college in Dharwad, I say, you see that one, that good discipline, values, beliefs, concepts, understanding what they've learned so
Sports
much.
is one thing that nothing else can replace. That is discipline. As Mr. Politician said, leadership is very important. But leadership requires tremendous discipline. And this discipline can be only taught by sports. So that's right. I strain on sports, and sports should be
Cultural
very,
activities are
very
equally
educational.
important, Ashna. You have helped me to act in movies like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H.
No, please everyone, please.
And XYZ.
If you see my
Please,
college in
please,
Dharwad, I
please.
say,
This is
you
my
see
show,
that one,
please, please.
good discipline, values, beliefs,
Please, Macharaja, please.
But leadership
No,
requires
that's not-
tremendous
The
discipline.
thing is, you're
And
not
this
teaching
discipline can be only taught by
What I'm trying to say is,
So that's right.
education
I
should
strain
not
on-
be sidelined. Instead, education should be the driving force of a college. You see, I have done my BA from Oxford, BSc from Harvard, BA from Stanford, MSc, PhD. But Archana, the thing is, education is everything. If education was not there, I wouldn't have been here, Arna. Education is the soul of everything. Education should be the driving force of a college. You see, education is the act of administering the knowledge to others through systematic means.
No, Preeti, wait. Preeti, wait.
Archana, listen.
No, Preeti, wait, please. Please, Preeti. The thing is, that is going on and on and on and on. No, Preeti. Please, Preeti, please.
This is real.
No, I give you a chance to speak.
You will give me chance somewhere.
No, Preeti,
Archana, please.
Preeti statue.
Why me statue? You statue, Archana. You go watch Pogo. Go watch Chota Bheem. Why me statue?
I don't watch Pogo and Cartoon Network. Why would I watch Pogo and Cartoon Network? I'm a grown-up man. Anyways, Doraemon was nice. Okay, anyways, you can continue.
Education
No, Preeti,
is the process of.
Everybody ready? 3, 2, 1, start.
Education is the process of facilitating learning. Knowledge, skills, values, beliefs of a group of people are transferred to others through various means such as teaching, training, discussion, research. You see, education frequently takes
No,
place
Preeti, no.
under the guidance of...
No. Don't give lectures on my show.
Yeah,
This is
Archana,
my show.
I get it. You're not allowing me to speak. But still, what I'm trying to say is education should be the soul of a college. All this nonsense extracurricular activities should be completely banned, I say.
मेरे को कुछ समझ में नहीं आया. Anyways, Thank you for watching my show. My show. My show. So like, subscribe to our channel and don't scroll down because the comments are disabled. No one talks on my show.